Hi, my name is Arun Sharma and I'm a mechanical engineer. I'm working here as IIT Delhi. So we required a CNC from long time. So we approach mechanics, correct? So our basic requirement is to machine the aluminium and mild steel for the prototyping. So they provide us a best solution for it under our budget. So here is a machine. It is good. We have interior is the bed size is 300 cost 300 the working area, which will enough for the prototyping or our products. Then the control is customized. They will provide a customized and easily user-friendly control. Doesn't require only 30 minutes to learn this control. With that, they have given us a manual buttons also with a keyboard. The machine overall usage of machine is easy.